Really?
And engage in a coordinated rhetorical square dance, cynically intended
Red
to
light.
solidify viewership.
I saw Tiger something.
Whoa. Came close to hitting him.
Funerals, the mourning, that process of letting go
That
of
guy.
someone that you love. Maybe even baptisms or,
Okay. Give the truck a chance to move over. It ain't that hard.
And next to his was Sergeant John Burns.
What the
whose lower leg had been shattered
shit?
by a bullet in a lost convoy.
Didn't move over. He had plenty of room to do so, too.
Beginning with his crash, he wrote, "Bump," recalling the sensation of being hit by the RPG. Spin.
Oh, that
Horizon.
FedEx truck.
Something else.
Well, clearly someone failed coloring in kindergarten.
With frightening immediacy, the horror of it.
Yeah, it just went
The
right
fear.
through. Billardinary or whatever. I don't even know what that says. Hey, get out of my lane! Oh, Jesus. Put that guy up there. Oh, what the shit? Dude. Douchebag. Do or do not. There is no try. Douchebag. 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 Okay, before anyone comments saying they're just going for the next exit, so am I. Really? BMW drivers? Whoa, dumb shit. My spidey sense is tingling. Now, of course, right turn only lane.
All the way around. I can't.
Wait,
I
what?
can't
Where
watch
are you
CNN,
going?
I can't watch Fox News.
You were in the wrong lane.
Happened, and I went, "Can you give me 5 minutes to answer?" You said, "Yeah," and so I texted back.
And no.
Wait, so you said
What's wrong with that picture? Whoever answers first gets 10 points. Red light runner. What are you doing? Go! What the f... Yeah, you run the red light anyways. You're a frickin' retard. No turn on red. Acura. No, don't let him in. Oh, if you would have signaled, I would have went. Dumb shit. And red light runners. The light was green on my end. Red light runner. Pedo van. You didn't even stop. Really?
A few moments later.
Is he gonna run? Of course you are.
This whole universe
Jeez.
revolving above
Do you
my
have to
head
merge so freaking close?
knows that I exist.
Dude, just pass me. Here's the thing I don't get about that guy. He was interrogating me for the past 5 miles. There's a big lane right there where you can pass me. I don't get why people don't do that.
And his co-pilot Ray Frank's flight suits. But it was
That
quickly
guy.
dashed when it became apparent that the beacons had been
Exit dive. That was a bad one. Red light runner. Oh, gee. Hello? Fucking Lexus.
The privacy of our workers. Another worker speaks up behind Christian. What about jeopardizing our safety? The safety of our family?
You know, two California rolls at almost the same time. It's crazy. Just went straight through.
And go, okay, what are we gonna do about this, and this? And
Hello?
all of those points, I'm sure, are being talked about in private.
Come on. Come on. Oh, you suck. Yeah, I probably could have sort of went, but I don't feel. Did not stop. Dude, you're like halfway into the street. At least he stopped.
Distant fit for what they were doing with Steve Young and
Red light runner.
Household income. Okay. You could pretty easily knock out one a year.
Red light runner.
Yeah. You know.
Red light runner. Really? You're gonna do that? Yeah, thumbs up! I just did a thumbs down deal.
bumped straight down. He didn't know if Yacone was dead or just injured. They were definitely still flying, and Gofina was alert enough to realize that this was a they. Yes, Steele said. Any minute now. Both men laughed.
Really?
Chapter 4.
At this point, like, I remember I was kind of being like, all right, every 2-3 days I'm going to go for a drive. And that's become now like once a week. And I remember it used to feel weird that I never left my house for a day, and now...
What was that? Nope. Douchebag.
Till they're finished. Over.
No trucks in the left lane.
But if Joe Biden did that shit, I feel horrible for Tara Reid. If he didn't do it, then I think that she should be prosecuted. Yes. Walk around trying to destroy somebody if they didn't do anything, and if he did some shit, then I'm...
Polio, Lou Gehrig's disease, was drafted, but the other one is so overwhelmed with his white privilege that he's like a kid in a candy store. He doesn't know what to do. He beats his wife,
dive.
he starts a business.
The other one...
No trucks in the left lane today, and it looks like he has to exit soon. Because exit Route 7's up. You're kind of a little close to that Nissan driver. Stay in your own lane, please.
You're just going through all the winning teams of the Super Bowl. Packers. That
What?
doesn't
What's so fucked up is I can't get enough on sports history, and I don't give a show in morning TV and press. His press for my show was he leads me to a star. It's a convertible.
And that guy was dancing in front of the steering wheel too.
Big photos of me and my name, and he's driving around town, and he's
someone's overcompensating.
I remember he was driving to the airport. Georgia had just been born, and I was getting paid $700 to
exit dive.
And my dad's driving.
And cut off the blue car.
I definitely agree with binging, but I don't think cartoons ended with cliffhangers.
That was a no turn on red.
Of all time, I will tell you that was Johnny Quest.
And that was a asshole left.
Oh man, as far as like.
No turn on red. Whoa.
I was a lunatic this morning.
Alright, that truck just cut someone off.
It always takes me 20 minutes after the fight. For the first 19 minutes, I've never felt more right in my life. Did last year. The King of Staten Island, starring Pete Davidson. Marissa Tomei. A film by Judd Apatow. I have,
as the governor said, we now have 3,000 people that are working on this issue.
Really?
Keep working at it until everybody gets their money. The one thing I will say is,
when we go out to get ourselves on that road back, we will do it with more members of our New Jersey family with us. We cannot do it any other way.
Well, yeah, I see. If no one has their left signal on, it's safe to go. Oh, but I'm streaming. But I'm streaming. But I'm streaming. But I'm streaming. But I'm dum streaming. Why the fuck are you getting? I thought you were gonna. Red. That guy. He got a lot today. Okay, I wonder what the stripey lines are for. I don't know.
Coach made the shot. With all the pressure in the world, Coach made the shot.
Jaywalkers. No. Holy fuck.
I have nothing to add to that. I agree.
Did not move over. Oh, that car rolled the stop sign. And they almost hit. That's not how it works. You go through that way. I think you rolled that stop sign. I think you rolled that stop sign too, FedEx. No trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. No trailers in the left lane. No. It's kind of like no trucks, but different. Now you moved over. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Hit like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more next week. Okay, bye.